Hey guys, what's up? Today we'll be talking about the Oppo A83. So this is the newly launched phone from the company for 2018. Just like the previous A series phones, this is also a selfie-centered smartphone. The phone comes with the octa-core MediaTek processor. There is 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory that can be expanded up to 256GB. On the front we have a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The screen looks pretty good and the text is crisp, but we would have preferred a full HD Plus display just like you get in other smartphones in this price range. You have the volume rocker on the left, 13MP rear camera at the back with LED flash, a micro USB charging port, speaker grill, 3.5mm jack and a microphone. On the right we have the power key. On the front you have the 8-megapixel camera with AI technology that is borrowed from Oppo F5. So it classifies the person based on the skin color, texture, etc. As you can see, the phone runs on ColorOS 3.2, which is based on Android 7.1, and we have a 32GB internal memory. We noticed that there are some apps pre-installed like the Facebook, UC News, Amazon Shopping, etc. ColorOS is just like other Chinese ROMs which have all the apps on the home screen and provide a lot of customizations. When you swipe up from the top you get the notification bar, and from the bottom you get the control center just like you get in some of the Chinese ROMs or in the iPhone. Oppo has skipped the fingerprint sensor in this phone and instead provided face unlock feature. Once you set up the face unlock feature, it's quite fast and pretty accurate as well. This is again becoming a common feature in many of the smartphones nowadays. So this is the Oppo A83 first impressions video. We will try to do a full review with camera samples. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.